Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to create this food video ad using Canva. So sit back, let's go right into it. So you go into Canva and you want to click on create a new video. Go over to elements and you want to type in top view food. Then you go ahead to pick the one you want to use. So I'm going to be using this and this for this tutorial. So just go ahead to remove the background, click on each of the fold and go ahead to BG remover just like this. So when you're done removing the background, the next thing you want to do is to arrange them together and open a new page and bring it forward like this. Then you want to click on arrow on your keyboard and you get a square like this. Then you duplicate the square, move it to the side and duplicate it. Then reduce the size of the other square. Then place it on top of the first one like this. Then go ahead to change the color. Change the color to whatever color you want, like this. Then reduce the transparency of the first one, the top one, to 0. Highlight both of them and you click on group. Then you duplicate the square. Go ahead to click on duplicate. Then move the new square to the side. Then duplicate again. Then you want to change colors. So we're using the color yellow for the first one, color blue for the second one, and color pink for the third one. So when you're done with that, you just move them to the same side. Then highlight them together. Then increase the size. You zoom in a bit. Then you increase the size of the square. Make sure it covers the page completely. So the next step is to open new pages. So I'm going to be adding 4 new pages. Taking the one that the fold is in to the last page and the ones with the square to the last page as well. So click on the first page and you change the color to pink. Then go to the food page and you want to copy the first food and paste it in the page 1. Then increase the size of the plate of food. Shift it down a bit, then go to text and add a heading. Then you want to change the text to healthy. So let's type in healthy. I'm going to be using Jamboree for the font. Then change the color as well to white. Then click on the end of the text and click on enter to give it space below. Then you want to increase the size of the text like this. Then shift it to the middle of the page. Then when you're done with that, you go ahead to layers, show layers, and you want to bring the text behind the plate. Then go ahead to duplicate the text. Then you move it and place it directly above the first text. Then go to effect and you click on hollow. So you have this. Then go to the last page. Go to layers, show layers. Then you want to copy the blue square and place it in page 1 like this, then rotate it anti-clockwise and move it to cover the entire page like this. Then you go over to layers and show layers as well. Then you want to move the blue square behind the food and the text like this. Then go back to the last page again. You want to copy the yellow square and place it in page 1 again. Then move it downward like this. Then go to your layers and put it behind the plates and the text. Then go to page 2 and you want to change the background color to green. Then go to where the food is and you want to copy the second food and paste it on page 2. So I decided to change the color of the green and make it a gradient color like this. Then go over to text and add a heading. Then you want to type in doesn't. Then you increase the length, drag it from the side like this. Then move it to the side, to the left side of the plate. Duplicate the text. Move it to the other side and change the text to main. Then you align them together. Make sure they are at the middle of the page on equal sides. Then go over to the square page and you want to go to layers as well. Show layers. And you want to copy the yellow square and go to page 2 and you paste it here like this. Then you rotate it anti-clockwise 90 degrees. Then you move it to the side like this. Go again to the square page and you want to copy another square color. Go to layers and you copy the pink square. Go to page 2 and you paste it here as well. Then you rotate it clockwise this time 90 degrees and move it to the right hand side. Make sure it ends where the yellow one ends. Then go ahead to layers and you want to move it behind the plate of food. Move the pink one as well behind the plate like this. Then the next thing is to go to page 3 and you want to change the color as well to green. That same green. Then you go to the food section and you want to copy the last food here. Copy and go ahead to page 3 to paste it in. Then you increase the size of the food like this and you move it upward a bit. Then go to your text and add in a heading. Then you want to type in tasteless. So go ahead to change the color to white. Move it down. Then you want to increase the size of the text. So you click before the T and enter to give a space above the text. Increase it. Then go to layers and you want to bring in the tasteless text behind the plate of food. Then go ahead to duplicate. Go to effect and change to hollow. Move the top one and make sure it aligns with the first one. But now this color look contradicting, so I'm going to change the color to blue. So you can change the color like this to blue. Then go to page 4. You want to change the color again to green, that same green. Then go to text and you want to type in taste it, increase the size, then go over to duplicate it, reduce this duplicated one, move it below, and you want to type in healthy doesn't mean tasteless. Then reduce it a bit, put it directly below taste it, change text it to color white, and the text below you want to change it to color yellow. So when you're done with this, you want to go back to page 1. Go ahead to layers, show layers. Then you want to copy the text and the plate of food. Copy it and go to page 2 and you paste it in here. Then you move the text up above the page. Then reduce the size of the food. Then move it upward as well. Then you rotate it clockwise like this, leaving a part in the page. Then go over to copy the food. Go to page 1 and you want to paste it here like this. Then increase the size. Then move it up a bit. Then rotate it anti-clockwise. Then move it behind the first plate and the healthy text. Then go over to page 2. You want to copy the text doesn't mean. Copy it and go to page 1 and paste it in. Increase the size. Zoom out. Then you bring it below the page like this, leaving a bit in the page. Then click on the second food, the one behind the healthy text. Then you move it below like this, leaving a part in the page. Then go over to page 2 and you want to copy the food. Go to page 3 and you want to paste it here. Increase the size, rotate it, and move it upward. Go to layers, then put it behind the first plate. Then go to page 2 and you want to copy the text there as well. Go to page 3, then you paste it in. Increase the size, just like we did the first one. Then you put it up, push it up this time, leaving a part of it in the page. Make sure it's at the middle of the page as well. Copy the plate with the chicken and go to page 2 and you want to paste it in here. Then you reduce the size of the plate, rotate it, then move it downward. Then go to page 3, you want to copy tasteless and go to page 2, paste it in here. Then you move it down and go to page 3 and you want to copy the chicken plate and the text, tasteless, and go to the last page and you want to paste it in here. Then you highlight them, the three, that is the two texts and the plate. Highlight them together and you want to move them below the page. Rotate it first, then you move it below the page like this, leaving a part of it in the page. So now we animate the taste it text. So you go to animation and you want to click on roll or shift. I'm going to use the shift. Then use character for the writing style. Then the next step is to reduce the duration of each pages. Now we add the transition, go between two pages, and you want to add in the match and move transitions like this. Then the next step is to go to the first page and you want to copy the blue square, go to the page 2 and paste it in. Then go to layers and you bring the blue square below like this. Make sure the yellow is above and the pink is below the blue. So you have this. Move it to the right hand side like this. Just move it like this, leaving some parts in the page. Then copy the yellow and pink square, then go to page 3 and you want to paste it in. Then move them below like this. So you are behind the food and the text like this. Move the pink square to the right hand side like this. Then go over to the yellow one and you move it to the left side of the page like this. Then go ahead to play the video and this is what it gives you. So guys, this is how I created this amazing food ad using Canva without paying a dime. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and recommend it to those who you think this video will be helpful to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.